So I ran upon this book. It's called Biology for Kids, and it's the kitchen pantry scientist. So think about it. Things you have in your home, you'll be able to use those things for your experiments. So there's 25 illustrated biographies of different biologists through the times throughout the world. Some alive, some gone on, but it has science experiments and activities inspired by these biologists. So this is a really, really amazing book. So you're using things in your house to create these experiments that different biologists kind of invented or explored on their own. So you have information about biologists, you turn the page, and then you're doing some of those very things yourself, using things right there in your home. So it's really, really cool if you love science, if you love experiments, if you want to learn and grow um, in science. This is a great, great pick. Um, Margaret Collins, Zoology and Termites, for instance. Again, illustrated so beautifully, as well as with photographs that let you kind of know if you're on track with your own things that you're doing at home. Definitely want to encourage our fourth grade students set up to check this out. It's fabulous, a wonderful coffee table book, but again, a teacher's dream as well. If you're a science teacher, I highly encourage you to maybe check this out, peek inside, and see if it's something you can use. Parents definitely can use it at home with your kids to inspire them in the sciences. So check it out. You will not be disappointed. Biology for Kids. Oh, and it's written by Lee Heinecke, the author of Kitchen Science Lab for Kids. This is another goodie. Check it out.